signal. Kaya hindi ako time giving. Bulacan Let's Play. Yes, here. First reading number. Number 35. Ibabalik po natin ang number 35 para naman sa second reading number. Second reading number is number 6. Official winning combination 35, 6.